In this video, we are going to learn about subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents taking away one number from another. Subtraction is signified by minus sign. The answer to the subtraction problem is called the difference. In term 1, we already learned about subtraction. Let's learn about in detail. Now we are going to learn subtraction up to 99 with regrouping. Regrouping is a process of making groups of tens and subtracting two-digit numbers, and subtraction we can also call it as borrowing. Now I am going to teach you how to subtract two-digit numbers. Let's subtract 13 from 45. 45 means 4 tens and 5 ones. 13 means 1 10 and 3 ones. First start subtracting from ones place. Shall we count the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 ones. Now cancel 3 ones from 5 ones. 1, 2, 3. So how many are remaining? 2. Yes. So write the number 2 ones in ones place here. Okay. Next, we are going to subtract the tens place. Shall we count the tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 tens. Now cancel 1 10 from 4 tens, because here we have 1 10. So we want to cancel 1 10 from 4 tens. So now cancel that. So now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3 balls are remaining. So write the number 3 in the tens place. Okay. So now we got the answer, that is 45 minus 13 is 32. Are you understand this? Let us see one more example. Subtract 70 from 30. First subtract the ones place. In ones place we have zeros. Yes. The number is 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So 0 has no value. So the answer is 0 ones. Okay. So when we subtract 0 from 0, we again get 0. Okay. So 0 has no value. So the answer is 0 ones. Write the 0 ones in ones place. Next, subtract the tens place. Shall we count the tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 tens. Now cancel 3 tens because in our tens place we have minus 3. So we want to cancel 3 tens from 7 tens. Okay. So how many balls are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remaining is 4. So write the number 4 in tens place. Okay. So the answer we got 70 minus 30 is 40. Now let us learn subtraction through the story. Here two squirrels collected the nuts in the hollow of tree trunk. On the first day they have eaten 12 nuts. On the second day they have eaten 10 more nuts. On the third day 16 nuts were eaten by them. Now they are wondering how many nuts are left. Total number of nuts are 58. The total number of nuts are 58. On the first day they have eaten 12 nuts. On the first day they have eaten 12 nuts. So to find the remaining remaining number of nuts at the end of the first day, we need to subtract 58 from 12. Okay. First we subtract the ones place. In our ones place we have the numbers 8 and 12. So subtract 8 and 2. So we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. Okay, when we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. So 6 ones. So write the 6 ones in ones place. Next, we going to subtract tens place numbers. In tens place, we have the numbers 5 and 1. So now we can subtract 1 from 5. So we get 4. So 4 tens in tens place we get. Okay. So totally 48. At the end of the first day 46 nuts are left. Okay. The same manner on the second day they have eaten 10 more nuts. Now to find the remaining number of nuts at the end of the second day, we need to subtract 46 from 10. Okay, so first we can start with ones place. So in ones place we have number 6 and 0. So now we can subtract 0 from 6. So when we subtract any number from 0, we will get the number itself. Okay, so 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பரை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணானோ அதே நம்பர் தான் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். So here subtract 0 from 6, we will get 6 again. Okay, so 6 ones we got. So write the 6 ones in ones place. Next, come to the tens place numbers. In tens place we have the numbers 4 and 1. Now you can subtract 1 from 4. 1 from 4. So we get 3. The remaining number is 3. So 3 tens. So write the 3 tens in tens place here. Okay. So totally 36 nuts are left at the end of the second day. The same manner, we can find how many nuts are left at the end of the third day. Okay, uh, shall we start finding that? Yes. See here, the total number of nuts are 16 because on the third day they have okay. So on the third day they have eaten 16 more nuts. So now we want to subtract the 16 from the total number of nuts 36. Okay. So if we subtract, we will get the left nuts. The number of eat the number of nuts eaten by them or at the end of the third day. Okay, for finding that, first we need to subtract the ones place numbers. In ones place we have 6. So so subtract 6 from 6 is equal to 0. When you subtract a number is number subtracted from itself is gives 0. Okay, when you subtract a number from itself is gives 0. So finally we get 0. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now come to the tens place. In tens place we have the numbers of 3 and 1. Now subtract 1 from 3, we get 2. So finally the squirrel has 20 nuts left with them.